Sagutan natin tong problems. Divide the following. Let's start with 1. Negative 2 plus 3i over 2i. So, we have division of complex numbers. So, paano ba mag-divide ng complex numbers? So, kailangan lang nating maalis yung complex number sa denominator. So, magagawa natin yon by multiplying both numerator and denominator by the conjugate of the denominator. So, paano hanapin yung conjugate ng denominator? So, kopyahin nyo lang yung real part and then change yung imaginary part into its additive inverse. Papalitan nyo yung sign into opposite. Okay? So, meron tayong 2i sa denominator. Wala siyang real part. So, therefore, kuhain lang natin directly yung additive inverse or yung opposite sign nung imaginary part na 2i. That will be negative 2i. So, yun yung complex conjugate nung denominator. So, multiply natin both numerator and denominator by negative 2i. And then, multiply nyo lang yung numerators and then yung denominator. So, apply natin dito yung natutunan natin sa pag-multiply ng complex numbers. Right? So, hindi pa napanood yung previous video ko about multiplication of complex numbers. Ililink ko na lang sa description para ma-check nyo rin. So, yung numerators muna, multiply natin. Distribute lang natin yung negative 2i. Multiply natin sa bawat terms. So, bali, negative 2 times negative 2i plus 3i times negative 2i over, multiply din natin yung denominators, 2i times negative 2i. So, multiply natin negative 2 times negative 2i, positive 4i. Then, 3i times negative 2i, negative 6i squared. Over 2i times negative 2i, that's negative 4i squared. Ngayon, itong mga i squared, pwede natin yung gawing negative 1. Kasi we have the definition that I is equal to square root ng negative 1. Kung square natin to both sides, we have I squared is negative 1. So, bale, magiging 4i minus 6 times I squared gawin natin negative 1 over negative 4, I squared ulit gawing negative 1. So, 4i, negative 6 times negative 1, positive 6, over negative 4 times negative 1, positive 4. Ngayon, i-distribute nyo itong denominator. Divide nyo each term by the denominator 4. Bale, 4i divided by 4 plus 6 divided by 4. Or, 4i divided by 4, cancel na yung 4i na lang. Plus 6 divided by 4 in lowest term, that's 3 halves. Or unahin nyo yung real part, 3 halves plus I. So, this is the final answer. Okay, for number 2, 15 plus 30i over 5. So, this time yung denominator natin is purely real part, walang imaginary number. So, madali lang kapag ganyan, gagawin nyo lang, divide nyo lang agad each term on the numerator by the denominator 5. So, we'll have 15 divided by 5 plus 30i divided by 5. Or, 15 divided by 5, that's 3. Plus 30i divided by 5, that's 6i. So, ito na agad yung final answer. Okay, next, for number 3 tayo, 2 plus 5i over 5 minus 2i. Ayan, kompleto na tayo sa denominator, meron ng real at imaginary part. So, ganun ulit, i-multiply lang natin both numerator and denominator by the complex conjugate ng denominator. So, kopyahin lang yung real part na 5 and then change the sign of the imaginary part into its opposite. So, negative 2i meron tayo gawin niyo siyang positive 2i. So, yun din yung i-multiply natin sa taas, 5 plus 2i. Again, i-multiply natin yung numerators over product ng denominator. So, if-file natin yung taas, right? So, multiply muna natin itong 2 times 5, that's 10. And then, next is 2 times 2i, that's positive 4i. Plus, next, ito naman, 5i times 5, 25i. Plus, 5i times 2i, that's 10i squared. Okay? Over, yung denominator, kapag product ng complex conjugate of each other, ang shortcut dyan is square nyo yung first term na 5, so 5 square, then laging minus the square nung second term na 2i. So 2i quantity squared. Tapos simplify natin further. So we have 10 plus, so 4i plus 25i, pwedeng i-combine yan as positive 29i plus 10i squared, yung i squared gawing negative 1, over, so yung denominator, 5 squared, that's 25, minus 2i squared, so distribute yung exponent, 2 squared or 4, then I squared. So magiging 10 plus 29i, 10 times negative 1, negative 10, over 25 minus 4i squared. I squared ulit gawing negative 1. So makakancel natin tong 10 minus 10, 0. Matitira is 29i over 25 minus 4 times negative 1, positive 4. So, bale 29i over 25 plus 4, 29. So, divide natin, makakancel si 29. Ang sagot lang will be I. Okay? Sige, number 4. 1 minus 4i over 2 plus 5i. So, multiply natin both numerator and denominator by the complex conjugate in denominator. So, kopyahin lang yung real part na 2, then gawing opposite yung sign ng 5i, negative 5i. So, yun din yung i-multiply natin sa taas, 2 minus 5i. Sige, i-multiply natin yung numerators muna, FOIL. So, 1 times 2, 2, plus 1 times negative 5i, negative 5i. Then, next, negative 4i times 2, negative 8i. Then, negative 4i times negative 5i. So, positive 20i squared na yan. Over, so again, yung product ng denominators, complex conjugate of each other, square nyo lang yung first term na 2, so 2 square. Then, minus the square nung second term na 5i, so 5i quantity squared. So, simplify. So, 2 plus, so combine natin yung negative 5i minus 8i, negative 13i, plus 20i squared, i squared gawing negative 1 ulit, over, so 2 squared, that's 4 minus 5i squared, distribute the exponent to 5 squared, or sige, gawin natin 25 na siya, I squared. So 2 minus 13i, 20 times negative 1, negative 20, over 4 minus, okay, 25 times I squared. Negative 1 na yung I squared ulit. Magiging 2, negative 20 combine, negative 18. Then copy yung minus 13i over 4 minus 25 times negative 1, positive 25. So, negative 18 minus 13i over 4 plus 25, 29. So, distribute nyo lang itong 29, divide each term on the numerator by 29. Magiging negative 18 over 29, then minus 13i over 29. So, this is the final answer. Okay, kayo naman. Try to divide the complex numbers 5 minus 7i divided by negative 3 plus 2i. And just comment your answers.